So welcome back. We're going to tack up a 5mm plate using E6013's 80 amps DC positive, and we're doing a corner joint. So we're going to do this in 2 runs. So the first run we're using a 2.5 as we said on 80 amps, and we're going to put 1 run in the bottom. So we're not trying to fill this completely, we're just fusing the 2, trying to get a bit of penetration out the back of the 2 plates. So we're keeping our arc tight. We've got a drag angle of about 15 degrees, maybe 20, just a little bit more, but we're keeping that arc tight, trying to put it into the bottom of that prep. We've got a slight gap in the 2 plates, so they're not tight up. There's about a 1/2 mil to 1 mil gap in the bottom, and we're just trying to fuse the 2 plates and put a little bit of material through the back side. Some of you may want a bigger gap, but then again some of you may want a smaller gap. It just depends on your welding techniques and your skill level. So coming to the end of that run, this is where if your gap's too big you will be overheating it and blowing a massive hole in it. This is why matching your amps to your gap is always crucial. So run done, nice little peel. Shows we've got good travel speed, nice little bit of penetration through the back, nothing too much. Now we're moving on 120 amps, we're on a 3.25 and we're putting a second run over the top. So we slow down, we're trying to keep that pawl the same size as the top of the plate, so we're catching both edges of the previous run and of the edges of the plate. So we get a nice rounded profile. We're still dragging at 15 degrees, keeping the arc nice and tight, so keep that rod a couple of mil away from your plate. Just working our way along, and then we use our new type of chipping hammer, which is a lovely little bit of plate, clean it down. So when you've mastered a corner joint using 2 runs, why not check out this video on screen, which is going to show you multi-run positioning for T-fillet joints.